Hello valued customer, thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. To achieve the best performance out of your 6-step bail making pliers, we decided to make this video just for you. These pliers are constructed from heavy-duty steel and have 6 steps. Each step is a different size and diameter, ranging from 2mm to 9mm. They're primarily used for looping soft wires such as gold, silver, copper, brass, etc. Today I will show you how to make an ear hook, coil, and a link using your bail making pliers and a copper wire. For the ear hooks, clasp the tip of the wire and fold the wire over the 2mm step until the loop is closed. Next, have your pliers hugging the loop and fold your wire over the 9mm step to a 90-degree angle. Now for your coils, you want to watch very carefully. Simply clasp the tip and use your plier to tightly twirl the wire around your desired size. If your loops are not tight, just manually compress it against your plier. And now for the links. Clasp the tip of the wire, fold the wire over the 2mm step, and close the loop. Do the same on the other end of the wire. Then, on the opposite side of the loop, wrap the wire over one of the larger steps and then repeat on the other end. And there you have it, simple and easy. Feel free to replay this video to get your loops right. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.